In number 55, they don't tell us how many sides there are, but there are 4 vertices. So if there are 4 vertices, then there are 4 angles. And if there are 4 angles, there are 4 sides. So it should be pretty clear that ABCD is a 4-sided polygon. It's a quadrilateral. So we could draw a polygon where A is about 49 degrees and B is about 107 and C is about, well, we don't know C and D, but C's measure is twice as big as D's measure. So this big angle looks like it's about twice as big as this. But it wouldn't matter if your picture wasn't representative. You could just draw any 4-sided shape like this. And A is clearly not 49 degrees, and B is not 107, and C isn't twice as big as D. In fact, D is bigger than C. My point is, the picture doesn't really matter. So you could draw a picture that's accurate to these numbers, or you could just draw any old shape. And now let's just fill in. A's measure is 49 degrees, and B's is 107. We don't know how many degrees D is, but we do know, look up here, that C is twice as big as D. So for the unknown D, which is X, C will be 2X. All right, so now what? Well, they gave us interior angles, and we know that for any polygon with n sides, the sum of the interior angles is 180 times n minus 2. So if we add up the angles, 49, 107, 2x, and x, that's equal to the sum of all the interior angles. Again, 180 times the number of sides minus 2. So there are 4 sides to this quadrilateral ABCD, so we'll put a 4 in there, and then we'll solve this equation. 49 and 107 is 156. These like terms, 2x and x is 3x, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 180s is 360. Let's subtract 156 from both sides, and 3x will equal 204. We divide both sides by 3, x equals 68. Great example of this common error. You solve this, you do all the work, it's splendid, and x is 68, and you say, aha, it's choice B. But don't forget to ask yourself, did they ask for x? They asked for the measure of angle C. Is the measure of angle C equal to x? No, the measure of angle C is 2x. So 2x is 136, and that's how we get to an answer in number 55.